Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set an alarm clock on your phone. To begin, find the clock application, typically a clock face icon, on your phone's home screen or in your app drawer. Once opened, look for the alarm tab, usually at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap this tab. It is your gateway to creating and managing all your wake-up calls. This initial step ensures you are in the correct section to proceed with your settings. It sets the foundation for a perfectly timed morning routine. After accessing the alarm section, you will see a large plus sign or an Add Alarm button. Tap it to create a new entry. A digital clock interface will appear, allowing you to scroll or type in your desired wake-up time. Carefully select the hour and minute, paying close attention to whether it should be AM or PM. This precise setting ensures your alarm sounds at the exact moment you need it. It is crucial for starting your day on time. Once your basic alarm time is set, you can customize it further. Tap on the sound or ringtone option to select a specific tone, song, or even a custom recording. Next, adjust the snooze duration. Many people prefer a 7 or 10-minute delay for a gentle rewake. Giving your alarm a clear label helps you identify its purpose quickly. These personal touches make your morning experience much better and more organized. For consistent schedules, you can set your alarm to repeat automatically. Look for the Repeat or Days of the Week option within the alarm settings. Here, you can select individual days, for example, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or simply choose every weekday. Make sure your desired days are clearly marked. This feature saves you the effort of setting the same alarm daily. It provides a reliable routine throughout your week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.